This is how to get the best discount promo codes for StockX. What you have to do is open your browser and search for the vthrift of a website. This is a genuine website to get any website or any program's promo code. On this website, on the homepage, if you have searched for the StockX promo codes or discount code, you will see these type of coupons on your home screen. You can see different coupons about 10% off admission, $10 off, $50 off, 50% off, and there are a lot of options and offers on this website for the StockX. To get a promo code, you have to simply click on this icon of copy code to copy the QR code or the promo code to your clipboard like this. And after clicking this, you will get the promo code copied, and then you can simply go to the StockX website, add the promo code, and get your offer. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.